Here's a 2007 Toyota Camry. Bold, reliable, efficient. If these are adjectives you'd use to describe yourself, then this Camry is the perfect fit for you. It comes with great features you love: auxiliary audio input, power mirrors, manual tilting steering column, 8-way driver's seat control, manual telescoping steering column, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, and power windows. New Car Test Drive observes that since its debut in the United States nearly 25 years ago, the Camry has earned a reputation for smart design, pleasing function, build quality, and durability. It's not all hype. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.